Hello and welcome back to the channel. Here are my sweet peas which I sowed about 3 weeks ago, which in fact I do have a video about if you're interested on how to sow sweet pea seeds. I'll leave the link in the description for you. These have been growing beautifully inside and you can see we've got a good germination rate here. They're at a stage now where they need to be pinched out, and I'm going to explain to you exactly what that is. Pinching out sweet peas is simply a gardening technique that involves removing the growing tip of the plant. This can be done by using a pair of scissors or simply by using your fingers. Let me just explain why we should do this and what the benefits are. By pinching out the topmost set of leaves, we're actually encouraging the plant to produce side shoots, resulting in a bushier, a more fuller plant. Pinching out sweet peas can help to promote stronger stems by diverting the plant's energy into producing thicker and sturdier branches. Also, it prevents legginess. You can see here that these plants are getting quite tall now and they're getting flimsy. So by pinching these out, you're reducing the length, putting the energy back into the plant to produce stronger side shoots, and as a result you're increasing the flower production. Overall, pinching out sweet peas is a simple and effective way to promote healthy growth and abundant blooms in these beautiful flowers. Now that we know the why, let's go ahead and show you the how. Identifying where to cut your new plants is very easy. Just so you know, you can only start pinching out your sweet peas once they've produced true leaves. Now these are true leaves. You can see some leaves like this, they haven't produced yet, so that's not ready to be pinched out. However, the majority of these are where you can see leaves like this. I'm going to be using this plant here to show you where I'll cut it. So you can see it's got a long stem. There's a couple of nodes here, and I'm going to cut just above the node. Now this may look drastic, but this is doing no harm to the plant. So you can see I've taken away almost 2/3 of the plant. Let's set another example. So I'm going to use this one here. You can see it's very leggy, it's just growing on one stem, and we have true leaves grown here. So what we're looking for is some side shoots, which you can see here, 1, 2. Okay, and we're going to get rid of this top growth here, and we simply cut it just above one of the side shoots. Okay, let me give you an example of what will happen once we've cut the side shoots and what your plant will look like in a few weeks. So you can see with this one, this was the main growth here, and I cut away the top there. That has in fact encouraged this side shoot to come through, and I don't know if you can see it, but there's a few more which are now coming through. Let me give you another quick example. So if I take this pot here, you can see this plant. This had a lead stem just growing there, which I pinched away. As a result, it has produced this beautiful side shoot, and I can already feel it's a much stronger plant. I'm going to go ahead and just cut these off now, and you can see what I'm doing here. Taken away almost 2/3 of each plant. You can see here these are the offcuts, but don't worry, this is not doing any damage to the plant. This is actually encouraging beautiful growth for the summer. Go ahead and give it a go. If you guys do have any questions or you need extra help, do feel free to send me a comment or leave me a message. I'm going to carry on finishing these off. don't forget to subscribe to the channel, share this video with your friends and family, and smash that like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.